Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So, I am here this hour to do a quick video, a very quick one, just to respond to Remijius. Yes. So let it be. Yeah, I think we are good to go. We are good to go. Okay, so let me quickly share this video. So if you are joining me, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I believe that people that are, video sharers, those who share videos to many people, that you get this video across the Remijius. I made a video where I talk about him. The truth of the matter is that I don't wish to fight with anybody here on social media. And I don't have any plan. I don't want it to be like, okay, you are looking for somebody problem and the person, that kind of thing. Everything you said there, Remijius, you have your mouth to say what you wish. But let me tell you something. I would have replied you in a way that it would be more clearer to you. I mean, you'd have understand it very, very better. But for the fact that you have never ever mentioned my name, you have never ever used me on your program. I am the one that mentioned your name. So I'm not gonna reply you the way I was supposed to. But for the fact that you use your juju, knocking your bell and using your barbaric behavior, that is very, 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 very funny. And let me tell you something. You talked about my look. Na mbọ nke abụrụ nke ọzọ. Ị ma mụ na gị one-on-one, you can't even stand me. That's number one. Like mụ na gị one-on-one, ị na-ekwu okwu dị iche than ife imewu. Okay, na wata. Mụ na gị kwuru okwu ịkwụ kịta na man to man, you can't beat me. You know that one. That's number one. Number two, you said something about that na Ngoso Rebeza hire ndị ọ na-recruit and all that. Is it this one that you said? Are you trying to say? Because I know that you guys are very good liars. Yeah, you lie a lot. Like I said, I don't want to drag issue with you. And this will be the last response that I'm going to give to you. You know that when you say that Ngoso Rebeza recruited me, you know you are lying. Please, my boy, I expect you to like this video. Give the thumbs up. You know that you are lying. You know, deep down your inner marrow, you know that you are lying. And you know that the whole about Baramonagi is not natural go. I'm looking for followership. I'm looking for followers. Okay, if you don't look for followers, why are you telling me to share your video? This is hypocrite in the minds of you guys. A traditionalist. I'm not good in cajoling people's faith. Do you understand? But don't bring your juju to me. And I'm here to reverse it back to you. Everything you said that you guys, you need to know what you are doing. Everybody I am not here to brag with you anything. Your faith is your faith. Your religion is your religion. I don't care about it. It's not my business. But as long as you are bringing me or trying to talk about me in front of your deity, in front of your, you are nailing yourself, and everything you said will reverse back to you. Every charm that you are good at is going to land. You know, even when you are saying you are not sure of what you're saying, but I'm telling you, whether you are sure or not, that spirit that you invoked, that thing that you said, you tend to say, is going back to you, and it will remain with you. You talked about how I look. Can you bring your medical report? Let me bring my medical report. Let us put it on social media. Look at you. Look at I don't want to talk about you the way you look because I am the one that mentioned your name first. That's why I don't add anything to do to you or remove anything. But as long as you choose to present your voodoo, every time, every man nothing. Oh, Sume is a great monk. In a can you do you follow the instruction? Do you follow? Yeah, you guys are very funny. Like I said, that when I talked about you, I was actually trying to, because you started playing it from 40 minutes, which you made mention in your video. Why don't you play from beginning? Am I in support of Caterpillar? I said it no. I made even a video where I addressed COS that bringing Caterpillar in the struggle that everybody is condemning is not good. Am I in support of it? I said no. I don't even know this Caterpillar of a person. If go to be check it, I don't even know him. I don't even know his voice. But everybody is talking about him. I don't know him. Then I said, I am not in support of that. So what is my offense? My offense is because I said, you are presenting yourself that you are a representative, a custodian of truth. But you don't want to tell people reason why you are deviating from that thing that you have been preaching. You are the one that started singing the praises of COS before me. Before me talking about her, you have started. You understand? You started and you're preaching about it. Everything, you know what you said. In what video me play my video, if I begin to play your video, my brother, if I did some of you, and I don't blame you. You actually believe that it's sounding like somebody who put his head in an empty drum, means that you are very vocal and you are making sense. People are listening to you. you think that people being arrogant in your words means that you are a very good orator. You are dreaming. You are dreaming. I'm not here to be play saga. No, but I cannot ignore the fact that what you said is lie and what you are doing is questionable because you are dreaming and nobody should mention your name. No. Can you mention one lie that I lied against you? Just one. Can you mention one? Everything you say in your video, you are saying that I'm not supporting Caterpillar. Oh, let's support Caterpillar. I don't know the Caterpillar. Why will I start talking about Caterpillar who I don't know? I said, judging by what people are saying, this is my stand. I cannot start defending Caterpillar who that I don't know. Then I said that if you are Remijius, you have right to say that you are distancing yourself from COS or from USB because of the Caterpillar, because you know him, I don't know him. Then I said I prefer you to make just say it that this is your reason, not because of PM saying the instruction. That is a lie. And you are a traditionalist that is considered, armor bearer of truth. Why don't you tell Biafrans, my brothers and sisters, I cannot stand this government bringing somebody place like I will respect you for that. But you pretend. Don't care. This government now told you, but you have to obey the instruction of the PPM. Or get the instruction for the first time. That your tongue can move fast. You can do your. You don't do that. I'm not the type. It's not my faith. Do you understand? I'm not voodoo carrier, and your voodoo remain with you, my bro. It remain with you. You can't do me anything unless if I harm you. If I ever dream of attacking you, if I ever buy anybody, kill anybody. Do you understand? If I ever in this Biafran freedom, if I've ever been in a group that they are discussing how to tie anybody, let alone getting involved, then what you say will be like that. Are you getting it? But you don't just what you said without your voodoo in a combo bear. Is that again my working? In a combo bear again. I'm not like you, and why I'm not gonna go harder to go deeper about all this nonsense that you guys are talking about is because of the condition of our people and what is going on. You have right to support whoever you wish to support. I'm not here to tell you, oh my God, oh, this guy. Some are saying a lot of things about you, which you can see also. But you feel bad that I talk about you. Is that nah? Do you actually look at yourself and feel that people should be troubled and worrying on how to bring you, how to friend with you, something like that. In a my look. Kebi come. Or is a guy that is a soldier act. You can wind your mind. Like I said, I'm not gonna go hard on you or say much about this. I'm not, and this, no matter what you say after this, I'm not gonna reply you because we're not on the same level. Academically, you are not on the same level. Believe it or not, bro. What about man again? Then you come up, look at what you're saying about CS. In your own lineage, I'm not talking about your family, in your kindred, you wait again. Can't you comport yourself? And even if you don't like her, I am not, she don't know me. In that your charm, can you swear with that your charm? I'm not talking about my own God. Can you use your God and swear that she's talked to me, or she have talked to me, or said anything, or even see how you people reason? Few weeks ago, people were telling you the same thing. That you are serving because the person recruited you. Look at the refugees have defected. In a defend. Now you are now calling on that person using the same weapon they used against you on people that are doing the same thing that you were doing, or you have not even done half of what you have done in terms of talking about USB or anything. What did I say? You think that if CS is doing something wrong, I have been broadcasting before convention. Know that. Okay? So saying that she brought me over, she recruited me at my age. She recruited me to do what? If I'm going to think I show you, you ask yourself if I need or make a sense. How can people perceive what I'm saying? My brother, I see you, some official, Ezukana. So I want you to teach me how to pronounce your name. Ezukano official, son official. I see you greeting. Oh yeah, thank you, my brother. I appreciate you. Please, some of you that are watching, you can comment. I want to know how many of you that are watching live. This video is good. Not gonna be too long. I just want to highlight this for people to understand my own stand on all these things. I have never for one said, please, you recruit people, I go recruit people. I am not in position to even say that. Do you understand it? I don't even know the man at Caterpillar. This guy, you claim that I got your video, you said that Caterpillar is not even your enemy, that is the enemy of PM. I watched your video. I don't know, you said it before. That he even threatened to buy you. It's not only a defender. Can we stop this kind of lie? Some of you believe that it's not somewhere where I'm not like. Some of you believe that deity in your father's house, that you are somehow in our salon, some of you claim that you are snake, you are python. You are Osisigu, you are Nobi, you are this. Everybody will go here. Not quite in case you serve. Which I don't know if you are getting it. Sometimes remember that you are somebody's father. Sometimes remember that. Because people that your group now, they will say, oh, Chiamaka egg is working. Chiamaka egg is working. That's what I've been trying to avoid on most of you. When another drama was bashing on me somehow, and me and Kenena TV, I kept quiet to avoid escalating this kind of issue. For people not to take glory of their egg, I kept quiet. Then she even mocked me that I'm chasing followership and view. I don't know where she got that one. When I check her followership, my followership is bigger than her own. Yet, I'm chasing for followership using her. Some of you think that people watch you when you are committing nuisance simply means they love you, that you are not a superstar. Let me tell you, two things attract followership and cloud. To bring people close to you to watch you, for people to gather watch you and all that is two things. One is either you are doing good thing or you are doing bad thing. Excess of good thing can lead to growth. Excess of bad thing can also lead to growth. People may follow you to enjoy your nuisance. People may follow you to learn from what you are doing. These two things attract people. So you think that my followership, I'm chasing followership using your name as a pastor, what? Davido or P Square, okay, Flavor, and Kid Ibn Organis. Can we learn how to maintain our learn and our level? You look at me finish. Believe when I'm about this, I'm not going to I'm not Igbo. Na ịmakwa ebe nke sida ị na-akpọkwa na money na ndị egburu na be anyị, money na na support ndị egburu. One ka ịgụgọ n'isi ndị gburu mmadụ, ndị ahụ gburu mmadụ. That house gị ahụ, how many times ka ijigoro ya wee kpọkwuo ndị ahụ gburu mmadụ, and kedu the effect of that arụsị ahụ ị na-akpọ ka ọ gaa ọbara. That is what your deity can do to chase innocent people, but you ignore the real people. In a reply na nkwuru gị na ngwa gị sị that na you moved from you are attacking serious. Do you know that if you are matured enough, for example, what you should have done is that one time broadcast, as long as COS is bringing this Bible recruiting a back, according to you have evidence because in our phone you will see of the CA of the CCC, you see everything, you see the next word to come, you see all those things, right? Now you did not come down to make a broadcast, address her like a woman that she is. That's it. I'm supporting you politely, or even if you want to attack her for once and move on. But what to show your level? One, attack number 2, attack number 3, attack number 4. Why person like me is talking about Ogekere? It's because of the people that are around him, not even about him alone. Do you understand? Now, I have not been in the camp of Ogekere. If I am in Ogekere group and I want to move away from Ogekere group, I will address him once and go. Once I will go. That is what you should have done. But bam, 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 look at your title. Oh, because of the Fulani. What is not different between you and those that have been in Ogekere? All this one. Those that have followed Ogekere is better than you. Because from day one, they understand what they want and they stand on that. What about you? From pillar to pole, here, and you go platform. I don't really know him. I don't know who are you? I have been watching you for years. I'm not saying I have been watching you for years in case you don't know. Most of your comments always contradict each other. People kept quiet for peace to reign and all that, and to you, then you get basaga. What can I gain from you? The video that I made about you is only this video. Other broadcasts I talk about you with a good faith, like something good about you, like when you are having an issue with this guy 247. I said something, and you watch all the video, you never react to. Now you want to react, you want to tell me that now the good one only only get recruit. We put only get recruit. The Biafra. The go actually get recruit. Oh, we actually get recruit. Instant look at he series now empty drum abon man if you make sense. People watch you to laugh. Not because they're learning anything from what I say. In a reveal secret. If I don't want to go further, that's why I want to. In fact, let me not talk about this again. I have addressed you enough because people will now begin to see it as I'm attack. I'm just what I want to learn from this, even if you don't want to take anything from what I'm saying now serious, because of course we are chasing. You are the one looking for content. That's just the fact. Did you see me play your voice here now? I did not play your voice. Why? Because I know what I want to say about what you do, what I'm doing. And to prove to you, I'm not gonna, even if you like, say anything you want to say, I'm not gonna reply you again. And it's gonna end here. Okay? People can, those who want to continue with you shall continue with you. But first thing I want you to go with is nobody recruit me. And it's unfortunate that it's coming out from somebody like you, that people have been accused many times that you are being recruited to serve or to work for anybody. Even if other people are saying that on me, I don't expect it. I never expect it from you. You are one of the victims of such accusation, and you coming out to say it is laughable. It's very, very laughable. Number two, I am not telling you that I'm in support of anybody killing our people. Ebubago or no Ebubago, even if not Ebubago, don't care. I'm not in support of that. What I said is that I don't know this caterpillar of a person, but it is hypocritical for you to say that because you're talking about Ike Gurag, or all that. Ike Gurag, you don't even hate him like me. I don't like him, but I don't have to go, on a certain word with him to prove to the whole world that I don't support Ike. I'm not here to talk about anybody. Government is government. Am I a government? Am I in a government? I'm not. But I have right to say my view on that. You have different view from what I have. I say that I don't know him. You say you know him. That he have murdered people, he have bad people. Fine. Not only you. Many people have said that. Then I said, if that is the case, government should distance themselves from that person. And because I said that, and I'm not supporting the bag, and I'm not champion the bag, they're going to Maya as in what one? As in what? No, not support the bag. You can't be Magruber, Grim, Ezumezuni, Negrim, Arosinian on a bag, Grim, Mondi Nebule, one day, Negrin, Hatchaway, like ITV, and I support the Bulu. One keep Boguna, that balance of Coca-Cola, Diabulunda, Horan in a Bocatano. The brain. The brain. And I said that one of the reasons that made you to attack PM COS land is because of the same person, Caterpillar, which is true. Then you was, he's attacking the COS, so he's attacking his COS, he's attacking him because he said that COS, is recruiting the Bagam. You see, Bagam, this guy have confirmed it. Oh, Bagam, so you have not confirmed it and you are saying that you are talking about it. You are waiting, looking for someone to confirm it for you. So you on your camera to talk about somebody that confirmed that thing that you say that you have confirmed, because you are preaching it as if you have the evidence, you confirmed it, that Ebubago and everybody is working with the government. Now you are celebrating, so you have been looking for somebody to validate it for you. I'm not saying you should love me. You still don't know me. I don't even know you either. Did I say, I know Remedios, he's my uncle, he's my brother? Like I said, bro, I get whatever money. That is all the fact. Physical look, I come again. Back in my 2 million, 3. In a Kuna was something, I'm not was something. When I wasn't going now bring your medical report. Let me bring my medical report publicly. I'm going to go in Iowa. In a water. I watch you attacking. I have lost count. Ndi go attack on social media. Ndi cool makava. So I know your method. I know what you are made of. I know the kind of person you are. If I tell you that I don't know, I'm lying, because I watch you not 1 week, not 1 month, years. I know what you are made of. Oh, everybody can get it. We're taking to share. Now they celebrate. Oh, yeah, like if you try it, you should get banned. One hand, as long as I have not been in any group where they discuss of buying Biafra in this movement, I have not been in any group where they're discussing anything about how to eliminate anybody. Okay? This movement, I have not been in, not even in WhatsApp group. I'm not a member, you have been. Are you getting my point? So, in a more in a Kujaba again, if you know, Opala, Ndeba Nomaka as what? As a leader, as what? Now, because I said my mind, you have been saying your mind. Man is supposed to because you really, and you are getting away with it. Because if you deal with Denzu, Kanaya, Ndeba Majiki, you know what you mind your lane. Oh, that's what I said. Just mind your lane. And if you are smart or you're intelligent that like you claim that you are, I expect you to use that your voodoo. Do something better. Apa mo ina na so me that brag anyway, spiritual son, spiritual doctor. Anyway, did they follow anyway? That's on you. That's your. I'm not the kind of person that attack people's faith. Your faith is your faith, but don't make your faith to be a detriment of somebody. A detriment to somebody's life. Predicting what you are going to do to some people. It is not my type. I'm not the kind of person. Your propensity may be to go after people's life with a smile. No, give me now. I can't get that. Iji obujidof. Iji obujidof. You know, iji obujidof. And I'm let me buy. You know, you a thunderous voice. Good and fine. If you open my own voice, respect it. Like I said, the truth is that I am the one that mentioned your name first. And I thank God that I did not pronounce negativity on you or attack you. I only said what I understand from what you are doing. And if that does not please you, you don't feel okay with it, my hands are off. Do you understand? Even in my ear, in as much as you don't like me, you don't like what I said, what you have done is after condemning me, Nam the bad, Nam Bonka, they recruit to me, which is a lie. And that kind of lie, the same as I go, it was an instant group now. The video is there. In a Google, now, I know AI, so far, the only person that started talking about AI is you. Maybe you have forgotten. You made a video where you talk about AI. You were telling tell, when I give you to use AI very soon. To iwepụta voice PM were gwa na need echefa. That video is on net. Maybe the chefukwe na nke ahụ. Ama m na watch something. Maybe now the same you is not laying curse on anybody that said that the voice note is AI after conditioning the minds of the people that AI will come in no distant time. You are the first person that made that revelation. Now you are not there's difference between you condemning people opinion and cursing people. You can't make any broadcast without laying a curse. And you're a spiritualist, you don't know the implication of words. You don't. You are not the one that have hot temper. You are not the only one. Everybody have hot temper, but they have a way of controlling their temper. Everybody I can come here and start laying curse on you. Hey, this guy needs be very active, needs be very vocal. On action. Man, no when they get queer no time this ifa. Ibulia. Oh, listen to bucket. Oh, listen in. Oh, you my father ga icho madoku. Oh, will you get it icho madoku? You gain nothing than enmity. If you need so vocal, need so violence, people can also be like that. In what are the point? Opo so ma aga pijel. O wele na aga. Each choose if each choose what you want to choose and be polite, be logical. That's what men do. You're not a woman. If you don't in in the spiritual realm, if for that one of these now no doguna spirit no. But when you na dragon away, why telling us? Why? In a give It's not much I can use. You feel the capability of the person. Anyway, I just want to make it snappy. Okay, my people, and let me go to the comment section. Okay, I have many things to say, but because when I got bro, we are not the same, bro. We are not the same. I am not the type that if I go wow 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 wow. I go on a video did better in the past. Ha. In my mother I put on me sorry now you got it wrong. I'm not like you. I don't do that easily. I don't apologize easily. That is me. That's why I always careful. I'm not the type that I'm not good at that. Falling back. Because one of the elements of something to go fall back, they easily apologize. They easily, get away with deviate from the track. And they easily to apologize and come back. They are just like back anywhere. You see them here tomorrow, they are here, they're not consistent. So I'm not like that. I'm not wired like that. That's not me. I'm not here to condemn you who you are. I'm just telling you that we are different. Very, very wide. There's a lot of gap. There's a lot of gap. I don't know if you are negative or positive. I'm not condemning where you are. I'm only telling you that we are not the same at all, and we can never be. Now, let's go to the comment section on this live broadcast because I think I have some people that commented here. Chine Glad said, good morning from here. Good morning to you, my sister. And Victoria said, don't mind that mushroom native doctor that cannot salvage himself. He is completely agboro. Is he agboro? Anyway, Egu joins says CCOS has the answer to Biafra struggle. She and her team will bring Biafra. And Victoria said again, imagine his Dracula teeth. Dracula teeth and hippo mouth. my sister. Remijius feed by saga. Also, I'm the Chelsea followership. And I'm the Chelsea. I'm on more than choose that crazy. Come on, people, I'm the Chelsea followership. Ikegwa. What if Muslim man get? ULB must be protected. Said you should ask the criminal who recruited him when he was supporting the DPM. No, check us in Kafana. They used to go with the same thing. That's the annoying part. Somebody like me now. Some people say that that they paid me. I am the only one that said that Genkere is not paying most of the people. I am the only one that said that many of these people and the Genkere team are not doing it to favor Nigeria government. They are doing it out of their own gullibility, and some are doing it out of their own private business they want to gain from that. Not that somebody pay you monthly salary and that. Personally, I say that. I may be wrong, but that's my opinion. I'm the only one. When this guy was busy calling them names and saying a lot of things, I'm not the kind of person that because I have issue with you, I will start saying something that is immaterial, something that is not real. I will just cook up story and make it look like it is reality, that this is how it is. I am not wired like that. I'm not wired like that. But, we are all human beings. Everybody have right to say what they want to say. And that is it. Victoria said he has a critical spirit. He always liked to native side of the story. You also invoke me in your spirit. And I call that. On my own, video menu, like what I picture PM here in this background. Then I have a video in one of my videos in the background of the space broadcast of Ogigre team. People were there talking. I dropped the volume. Nobody was hearing what they're saying. Then the video that I want to publish, I put it in on that just to have the background video. Then the video that I published in the front. Somebody who is that background video contacted me, start threatening me that are you saying after listening to what the video that I published is all about, where I talked about the rumor that some of the women in US in Ogenkere camp that received some, is it $25,000 or I can't remember how many thousand how many million of dollars they received from one governor from the eastern part. I'm not the one that said that. The lady who revealed that the voice is what I published, on my channel, and I just made some talk, some talk, like welcome back to my channel. And let us hear from one, let us hear this revelation from someone who knows better than I do. Then that is all about the video. The video is not about how she's not the only one in the background video. She decided to contact me. She said that she's a traditionalist. That she's so she mentioned her name. Then I said, okay, what can I do for you? She said that the video that I did, in that video, that I said something like this. Am I saying that she's part of people that collected that money? Then I asked her, did you watch the video? She said yes. I said, okay, did you hear your name? By that time, as of the time that she was telling me this, I don't even know her name. But I zoomed her picture. Then I know the person that I was chatting with. I said, okay, now I know this person, because I know her truly. Not that I know her in person, but I have seen her on social media. Then I said, did you hear your name there? She said no, but she just want to confirm if I'm saying that she's part of the people that I'm talking about. After hearing what I said, though, you want to hear from me if I'm saying that you are part. Am I even the one that's saying that? Just like now, you that are watching me now, imagine now I'm here to, maybe I am condemning, let's say I'm condemning this remote here, okay? Let's say I'm condemning this remote. Then, after condemning this remote and the company, you copy this video, the part where I talk about this remote, and you react over it on your channel. And the company that owns this remote contact you and say, are you saying that this remote, that this company, or me that owns this company, that I'm this and this and that, like that? You ignore the people that initiated the topic, and you are trying to focus on me. Do you understand it? So these are the kind of people that, if you try to understand them, you don't know where to start. Then I told her, no, I did not talk about you. In fact, you can watch the video again. What would I talk about? I don't even know who you are. She did not end there. She said she's not changed the topic to tell you that her initial reason to contact me was not because of the video, but she was looking for a way to nail me in the sense that using my word to judge me in her voodoo. Then I understand. I got already the signal where she's trying to drive this into. I said, okay, I did not say this thing you're saying about you. I did not say that this is what I said, and this is my take, this is my stand. I don't even know who you are. I don't know your name. Why will I go to the extent of bringing you to this issue? This is my first time of hearing this thing that woman said in that video. She said, okay, am I not saying that nobody paid me money to be doing what I'm doing? I asked her, what am I doing? She said that what I'm doing with is, signing on God's other person. I was like, nah, so this is the reason why you contact. I said, okay, I am ready to swear. Since you want me to swear. She said that she want me to swear in her shrine, in her voodoo. I told her, I am ready to swear, but I am not a traditionalist like you. I am a Christian. I want to swear with my Bible. But if you don't trust my Bible because you're traditionalist, you think the Bible is inactive. Now let us go traditionally, but not on your voodoo. That I want to swear with the sun, with water, land and air. And I want you to swear also with the same element that I mentioned. That what you said about me, that somebody paid me money, that it is true. She stopped contacting me immediately. She started running. But the initial thing, she wanted me to say, oh, who are you to talk to me like that? Okay, let us see, because of, that kind of thing. Then she will not have reason spiritually to attack me. On the with Biafra. As I speak, she's a member of Ogenkere cabinet. If you doubt me, go to the website. She's there. I'm not going to mention her name. Why I'm saying this is because these are the people telling you, all of them, that oh, you are paying you money. Oh, they're paying you money. If you, let me tell you something. If you call me now and say bring your account, I want to give you money, I will give you my account to send that money. I will take it. But that your money cannot stop me to say what I'm saying that is true. Anything that I said that is lie, know that I don't know that is lie. That somebody must have fed me with that wrong information. But as long as I said it here, I actually believe it, that it is true. But if it turn out to be false, I will still come out, use the same platform and take that it is false. That is what happened. Are you getting my point? Can you, all these people telling you, oh, they're paying you, like this one said that they recruited me. Have you received money from anybody in this? Like, I'm not talking about special. Call your phone and let me wire the money to help you. From anybody in this movement, yes or no? I don't see that you are being bought over. But the issue of they pay you money, they recruit you, you don't have the moral right rather to say that. You don't have the moral right to say that because you have been taking and collecting. That's how it is. This is not saga. Most of you that are calling like me, when the issue of a Chamaka Jere, oh na chuai, oh no didn't yemadu, oh no na yemadu, and now we have long way. Did you hear me say something like that? Because I don't know. I can only say the one I know. That Chamaka said this, I can talk about it. Not because what you said. Before I said that you said, if I want to quote what somebody said, I will mention the person that I watched so person, the person says so thing in his own platform or her own platform. I will just mention that and hands up. Then I will tell you if it is true. That is my take. If it is not, anybody that followed me here will understand my own style of broadcast. I'm not the kind of person that COS, is she an angel? No. Is she getting everything right? No. But if also they big choose no more. Even PM, is PM Mr. Cent? The answer is no. Is he 100% right? The answer is no. He made some mistakes. Master can make some mistakes. It is normal. But if I don't say what you want to hear, oh, they paid you. You look at the look at the people Okonu they recruited. Now give him mercy. Now give him mercy. Some people other what even again. Everybody want to say something. Everybody want to talk. Everybody want to talk. And everybody don't understand reason why they want to talk. Anyway, let me go to the comment again. And Olivia Hilary's, yeah, brother, don't waste your time on that guy. He is not a stable person, not at all. He boasted a lot on unnecessary. He boasted a lot of unnecessarily. And Honorable Prince Chuku said, "My brother Kai, forget about the useless guy." Why I'm replying to that because of that, the side of invoking voodoo. Because why, some of you don't know that most of these things that they're doing is actually business. Like, jidoji, bulu, some dry leaves. Look like no, my that kind of. After the program, we are going to go on to the signal native market, that kind of thing. Another business side hustle. Whether you are doing it right or wrong, I don't know. This is your fate. But what I'm saying is that as you are doing it, focus on it. Give me your sword every time. What you think that's a sword every time. This your sword could be tissue paper on people. Not everybody. Only for John Medegiquo. A one if even no major. Mbra was in never major you. Then you now have right to do what you want to do. But upon the equal yes in Simba. Ebi kulumba and yes. I'm losing good and fine. Ewe types of enemy. Na like your moya DJ. Na I'm telling you guy. Decision. Chineke kpọọ Chineke gbuo gị. The same man DJ around them at spiritual work. He just course anyhow. Anyhow, we don't know his station. Name said. His juju could not save him, but he run to exile. That is Oliver Hillary. That's another very powerful point. Seth said, not everything that guy is saying I like to listen, but now it is obvious this is really, really bad. Victoria said, to be ashamed of mocking someone of illness when he always said he had. My sister, I'm not sick. You understand? I don't have any sickness in my body. Nothing. I'm not sick. The only sickness you can say that from time to time, maybe like last week I was having flu. Nothing more. And now I'm 50-50. So what I mean by 50 is not half. I mean that I'm 100%. Okay? So I'm okay. Then somewhere Chukoma said, Kai, it is unfortunate that this man has deviated. It's not unfortunate. I'm being honest. It's not unfortunate. But let me leave it there. Senses will go to forcing chaos. Okay, since you mean since you go to forcing chaos, he changed his mind against USB, and again, everyone that has voodoo should use it for Nigerian zoo army. My brother, if I don't like anyone, you know what? Have a good issue of voodoo. That's not the fact. Isaac said, the God of Biafra has started chasing Remijius Chukwu Okike Abiamaga Akpoya Oko. Sen said, that is why when the woman come back to apologize, I said to her on the comment from the video I watched from because I no longer watch her video, you mean, to remember where she is. Okay. And God of Wonders KFTV said, good morning, sir. Please continue to stand strong for USB. The sacrifice these people are doing is affecting some of them, but because you are a prayerful person, it cannot affect you. Why would it affect me? This not. I'm a Christian, a born Catholic, official one, rooted. I'm not here when I get an ambassador in Arkansas. It's powerful, but maybe for Jordan powerful. I don't attack anybody. Each and more amateur how to Ibasaga. Go watch a video at that remember Macamo. Mana that time on the video Mona Kenena TV. Is enough more. He would the 1 week while and people gonna like you watch that kind of thing. Some people actually contacted me privately. Why is your batting give it to her, give it to her? I said no. Instead, on my own, I reached out to her, she's not coming. Boy, say no man, no. We were friends, we were talking. Some of my followers was not happy with it. Because everybody was expecting me to go out on her. No. I don't remember Ibasaga. That if you like it does not mean that I hate you. Even though I don't hate Okekere. Why would I hate you when Biafra is for everybody, not for me? You're not doing it for me. What will I get? Tell me what I will gain from Biafra that you're not going to gain. Or the moment, or the everybody. Or the buy man, or the night, and in Nama, or Matamua. Also, one another Biafra. Or man, the woman is no more. That's just the fact. Chineke no go ya. Then some of you, and then oh, you are chasing this, you are chasing that. Okay, even let us assume that no, there's nothing like no help, like no way of help get anybody where he protect the Igbo land. My own village is one of the least Fulani Gaba. I don't mind your blonde, man or reality can work. My own village, farmers na farm. You can go to farmland and cultivate anything you need. Nobody will touch you. I'm not gonna find a different idea in my attempt to. Man, we are not sleeping. So, about state government. So, baby, can you say that to for your own village? And everybody goes, didn't never number. You need to pop on it, but they're chinoji, but not query. Chini, oh, you are doing it for yourself. Man, no sensible man would like to see his own house being set ablaze because of you have hatred. You don't, do you actually believe that if Grace and men on ground and me now they're head on each and about USB now? No. And I prefer Ogigre group to stand on the USB to be doing what I do. Even if you don't accept that you are USB, be doing what, so that people that risk their life to travel to Finland to declare Biafra, the shame alone. If you're not feeling shy about it, person like me, because I watched some video from non-Biafra, what they're saying, Yorubas, other ethnic group that watch you live declaring Biafra, and you are not telling them that you are not the bridge, you fall back. Never catch any now. At least I'm good now. If I thought that okay, grants no matter what they're doing, whether they are getting it right or wrong, why don't they stand on that platform of USB and be doing what they're doing? They choose to fall back. Why? Because they don't want to declare Biafra in the first place. And if you say some people say, "Oh, need support, need support," or Fulani, then why don't you blow all Igbo? Now your own group. How about you can compose all about Fulani? Na group but use the same USB that all of you hold hand together and declare. Even though she's the one that pronounce it, whether she's the one or she's not, it doesn't really matter. Use the name and run the program that you say you are running. Instead, no. You want to fall back. And I could another one. So how do you expect me to take those things serious? How? Sense said, when you speak about the reality, you are now chasing followership. Rubbish, what about them? Ikeboba. Good, God of Wonder said, please, sir, if can speak with you one-on-one. If you can speak with me one-on-one, you don't have my phone number? Okay, I'm gonna post my phone number here for you to call after the program, not now, because now the phone is what I'm using to do stream now. So if you call, you're gonna interrupt the program. Obi Page says from Emmanuel Remedy Smart, heard that Butoso kill men on ground. Even Ikon saw he said so. My brother, that's why I said I don't want to go further about issue of Emmanuel Remedios. Open on my if you go see Amanda Saga. Video is filled with saga. And if you begin to go deeper, if not everybody gets so. Do you know why people are saying that serious? Let me tell you this thing. People, why people like you got watch Gentle's video where Gentle said that I'm going to the best in the moment on ground, kidnappers, all that. This guy and people like him, when people with this issue of some okay, we are schools about it, but all those things is not what I'm here for. Like I said, I'm not gonna talk about it again. But some people, is facing a lot of attack. From most of the attack is from what they themselves initiated. Not only him alone, with other people that I don't want to start talking about them on this video. But if you know, you know. Like what is our brother said here, that from Emmanuel Remedios Smart, I heard that the Butos occupy men on ground. Even Ikonso, he said so. I'm not aware of Ikonso's issue or men on ground, but he said a lot of things. That's not the fact. But I'm not here to talk about it. And my own is that I just want him to understand that CS did not recruit me. That's the essence of this video. 2, I am elder than you. If you doubt, let us go to bring a medical report. 3, that I'm chasing followership is a lie from pit of hell, and you know that. And 4, I am not in support of a Bible or being in any group at all. I'm not in support of it. Because Biafrans cannot be pointing finger at this, condemning it, and I will be supporting it and clapping for that. No. What I said is that I don't know the person. And that is the reason why you, Remijius, decided to do what you are doing and say what you are saying. How is it bad? In your opinion, you did not condemn it. You accepted. You accepted clap for me. That I'm exposing. But that is reality. Do you understand? To you, when I say the truth, I'm exposing CS, or because in your mind you believe in favor of CS, you are dreaming. Anyway, who are my people not be cooking anyway. Oh, good. Rest said, Remijius, Ada, and the Ocho, and Ogenkere group are all behind fake commander photos or fake account. They need held responsible. Remijius don't know anything about that. That Ross Kineko. Remijius don't know anything about it. Our own is to say the truth. He don't know anything about. So let us not drag that. I cannot be condemning Remijius for exaggerating words, and I will be supporting anybody that is exaggerating words. Remijius don't know anything about the fake account, Royce. No, not at all. And Remijius don't know anything about. Did I even get your message clear? You said okay, group are all behind fake commander. But also okay, yeah, I'm right. So he's not behind the account. Ada is not behind it. Okay, Royce is somebody that has to do with the circle of Ogenkere, Sona Prawan, and rest of them. So Remijius is not part of it. Victoria said he cannot do anything. He is mentally unstable. Very, very sure, because his word, you can tell. I love your way, brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Saint. My only problem is that they cannot use their juju to save our land and release Mazonga. No, it's only a consonant. Oya can be with elephantiasis. Oya can Oya can what if I gave me? My hands are clean. I am not here to support any criminality. Do you understand? Or so some of you, like people like him, actually believe that if I see maybe what we buy Ogenkere, I will support it. Now get me. Now I call no. I will tell him, brother, run. No, that's not the fact. Brother, run because life is life. Okay, and I upward in the actual freedom. Oh, you got them for work freedom. You got the one before you made in the country. In the country, they will out and get it. So I'm not in support of any buying of anybody, no matter what you commit. And if people see any member of the Bible because they are buying people, and I actually said something that our people are hypocrites. You are condemning a Bubago and everything that they have done, which is condemnable, and it is bad. But I don't think it is also right to be celebrating anyone from army that are willing to join the Biafran army, and we will be clapping. Because army also doing the same thing with the Bible have been doing. So why are we approving one and disapproving the other one? Let's not think about it as well. Maybe that will help us to comprehend properly. And he said that he never for once have an issue with the Caterpillar. I'm surprised to hear that from him after listening to the part where he talked about Caterpillar threatening his life. Personally, threatening your life. He said it. Unless he was lying about it. But that is where I made up my mind that both of them have issue. He talked about Ikenga is not somebody that nobody. I don't think that any sensible person will like to hear anything from him. And another thing is that I am also doubting. That's one of the things that he refused to understand. I am doubting that COS is working with any Bible person. I asked about this caterpillar of a person. If he's truly his with the government, they told me no. So why will I come out and start shouting, clapping, acting as if it is normal to have a way when they have already told me that he's not? Then later, it revealed to me that Caterpillar came in and go. That one person, one commander, something like that, requested for help, and they don't know anybody but to help. They have to call Caterpillar to go and help. Something like that. It's not that clear. But whether he's in or not, I said, please and please bring him out. If he's working, let him go. Because Biafrans majority carry the food. Whether you see reason to work with him, as long as people say no, please and please let him go. Let him go. That's what I said. I took on my brother. I did not say that if you dare not do that, you see what I would like. He normally do threaten government also. Now I am the one that is creating problems. I don't fight anybody. I don't intend to fight anybody. But you cannot come and insult me and feel that, oh, I should just leave you like that, no problem. No. It doesn't work that way. And I have to draw the curtain close now. Like I said, this video is not gonna be like our normal broadcast that I will start talking about saying all that thing. I just want it to be just a response. And please, this is my last response to him. Anything he wants to say, go on and say it. Biafrans are not Mumu. They know everybody's activities. If I am here pretending and lying, they know. If I'm feeding them with lies, with falsehood, they also know. It's a matter of time. It is a matter of time. My own is to, if you see, people that ask for money to help, asking for help, have right to ask. I don't ask not because I have, but I have the one that is okay for me, right? Then if I need help, God will provide for me. Because most of you is taking advantage of people's problem and start mocking them. I have not asked for anybody, I have not publicly asked for help, but thousands of you are telling, oh, you are money, you are for money. One actually said that the way that he's looking at me, that they will still buy me over the way they bought Refuting and that. A comment on my video that very soon that they will buy me over. That the way he's looking at me, that I am after money. The way Refuting and that is after money. I just look at that comment. I told him that you have your tongue to move in your mouth. So whatever sound that it produces or generates, people will think that you are talking. My only problem is that, okay, thank you, my people, and God bless you all. Please like the video if you have not, and see you again. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.